The million-dollar question: how do great companies keep it all together? Have you ever wondered how a successful company manages everything behind the scenes? Think about it for a second. A customer places an online order. That single action needs to trigger a whole chain of events. The sales team needs to record the purchase. The warehouse needs to find the product and prepare it for shipping. The finance department needs to process the payment and update the books. Customer service needs to be ready to answer any delivery questions. How do all these different departments stay perfectly synchronized? It's a puzzle that can make or break a business. The answer isn't just hard work or lots of meetings. The secret lies in having a single unified system that connects every part of the organization. Without one, you're running on information islands. Your sales team has their data in one spreadsheet. Your inventory team has theirs in another. Your accountants are using a separate software entirely. Getting these islands to talk to each other is a constant battle. It leads to manual data entry, which is slow and honestly prone to human error. It creates delays as information has to be passed back and forth. Worst of all, it prevents leaders from getting a clear, real-time picture of what's actually happening. This fragmentation is the silent killer of efficiency and growth. And here's the thing, it's not just a problem for giant corporations. It's a challenge that businesses of all sizes face as they start to scale. You might start with a simple setup, managing things with a few spreadsheets and basic tools. But as you add more customers, more products, more employees, the system starts to crack under the pressure. Suddenly, you're spending more time trying to find information than using it. You oversell a product because your website didn't know the warehouse was out of stock. You send an invoice to the wrong address because the customer's details weren't updated everywhere. These small fires eventually grow into a massive blaze that consumes your time, money, and sanity. So, what is the solution? How do you build bridges between these information islands and create a seamless flow of data across your entire operation? The answer is a technology that has been a cornerstone of successful enterprises for decades. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP. An ERP system acts as the central hub, the single source of truth that connects every function of your business. Let's break down what an Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP system really is, without all the confusing technical jargon. Imagine your company is a living, breathing organism. You have different parts. Your sales team is the hands reaching out to customers. Your manufacturing floor is the muscle creating products. And your finance department is the brain managing resources. An ERP system is the central nervous system that connects all these parts. It carries vital information instantly and automatically from one part of the body to another, ensuring everyone is coordinated and working together. When a customer places an order, a touch on the hand, the nervous system instantly tells the brain, which is finance, to record it, and the muscles, or the warehouse, to act. The primary purpose of an ERP is to integrate all your core business processes into one unified database. Instead of having separate software for accounting, for customer relationship management, and for inventory, an ERP brings them all under one roof. This is honestly a game changer. It eliminates the tedious and error-prone task of re-entering data from one system into another. When your sales team closes a deal in the CRM module, the information automatically flows to the finance module to generate an invoice and to the inventory module to update stock levels. This seamless flow of information is what delivers the immense value of an ERP. So why is this integration so critically important for a business? It's all about visibility and control. When all your data lives in one place, you gain a 360-degree view of your entire operation in real time. A manager can pull up a dashboard and see current sales figures, inventory levels, and production schedules all at once. This allows for smarter, faster decision-making. You can spot trends as they emerge, identify bottlenecks before they become major problems, and allocate your resources, your people, money, and materials, more effectively. Without an ERP, you're essentially flying blind, making decisions based on outdated or incomplete information. An ERP system like Odoo is designed to be the single source of truth for your entire organization. It ensures that everyone, from the CEO to the warehouse clerk, is looking at the same up-to-date data. This consistency is fundamental to operational excellence. In essence, an ERP system doesn't just manage your resources, it empowers your people to use those resources in the most intelligent way possible. Now that we understand the why behind ERP, let's look at the how, taking a quick tour of a modern all-in-one, Odoo. What makes Odoo so powerful is its modular approach. Think of it like a set of Lego bricks. Start with the core pieces you need right now, then add specialized apps as your business grows. Let's explore critical apps. Sales, CRM. Odoo CRM manages your sales pipeline, from initial lead to closed deal. Track every interaction, emails, calls, meetings, automate follow-ups so nothing slips through. When a deal is won, it converts into a sales order in sales. Once a sale is made, the operational side takes over. Inventory, supply chain. Inventory gives real-time stock tracking across warehouses. It automates replenishment rules to avoid stockouts or overstocking. Supply chain helps manage suppliers, track shipments, optimize logistics. People and money, you need both. Human resources. HR manages recruitment, employee profiles, time-off requests, payroll, performance appraisals. Finance and accounting are the system's heart. Invoicing, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, financial reporting integrated with sales and purchasing. Invoices are auto-generated. Financial statements like profit and loss stay up to date. Odoo also includes functions often missing from traditional ERPs. Projects for service teams and internal initiatives, manage tasks, track time, monitor project profitability, marketing to create, automate, and track campaigns, email campaigns, social media posts, more marketing assets tied to sales results, help desk for customer support, manage customer tickets, track issues, provide timely support. Consider a mid-sized retail company with a dozen physical stores and a growing e-commerce website. Before Odoo, they were honestly just drowning in complexity. Their website inventory was managed separately from their store inventory, which led to constant stock discrepancies. By implementing Odoo, they unified their inventory management. Now, a sale made online, a sale made in-store instantly updates a single central database. Now let's shift to a manufacturing company that produces custom machinery. Their biggest challenge was managing complex multi-stage production processes. After adopting Odoo's manufacturing app and the PLM app, everything changed. They could now create detailed, multi-level bills of materials and automatically generate work orders, bringing marketing, sales, operations, and support into one interconnected ecosystem. Odoo delivers on the promise of a unified business management solution. Companies like HubTech are leveraging these integrated solutions to streamline their technology operations and deliver better results for their clients. When a company successfully implements an ERP system like Odoo, the benefits can be distilled into three core categories: saving time, improving accuracy, gaining better insights for decision-making. This is often the most immediate benefit. Repetitive tasks bog down employees every day, re-entering sales data into accounting, manually checking inventory levels, compiling reports from different spreadsheets. An ERP automates these processes. With Odoo, a sales order can automatically trigger an invoice, trigger a delivery order, update the financial ledger. This frees your team from mind-numbing data entry and lets them focus on higher-value work, talking to customers, innovating processes. The second jewel is improved accuracy. Human error happens with manual processes. A typo in a part number can send the wrong item. A misplaced decimal on an invoice can cause financial loss and disputes. A single source of truth reduces those errors. Data is entered once and flows across the system. The third benefit is insight. Fragmented systems hide the whole picture. An ERP unifies your data. Odoo's dashboards and reports show KPIs in real time. You can see which products are most profitable, which sales channels perform best, and where operational bottlenecks are. See the connections: how marketing impacts sales, how sales impact inventory, how inventory impacts cash flow. Together, these benefits create a cycle of continuous improvement. Automation saves time. Teams analyze accurate data. Insights drive smarter decisions. For many years, the world of ERP was seen as an exclusive club, reserved only for large corporations with deep pockets. This is where a modern solution like Odoo changed the landscape. Odoo tackles the cost barrier with a flexible and affordable pricing model. Its modular design means you only pay for the apps you actually need. This pay-as-you-grow approach makes ERP financially accessible to a broader range of companies. In today's fast-paced and competitive business environment, operating in silos is no longer a viable strategy. The future belongs to integrated, agile, data-driven organizations. As we've explored, an enterprise resource planning system is the essential tool that makes this integration possible. It is the digital foundation that connects every facet of your business, from the first marketing touchpoint with a potential customer to the final financial entry in your general ledger. It transforms your organization from one that is bogged down by administrative tasks to one that is focused on value creation. Don't think of ERP as a complex technical project. Think of it as a strategic investment in your company's future. It is the path to scaling your operations, empowering your people, and building a business that is not just bigger, but smarter. The future of your business is an integrated one, and with tools like Odoo, that future is closer and more accessible than you think. Companies like HubTech are already experiencing this transformation, leveraging integrated ERP solutions to deliver exceptional results and drive sustainable growth. Your journey to growth starts by bringing it all together. Take the first step towards an integrated, efficient, and intelligent business operation today.